This video will go over how to log in to Aztec Scholarships and a brief synopsis of the general application. In order to log in, you will need your SDSU email address and associated password. You will be prompted to authenticate using Duo. If you have any issues with your Duo authentication, you will need to reach out to SDSU Information Technology. Once you log in, you will be presented with the general application. This application has various questions that are related to scholarships in the system. It should take 20 to 30 minutes to complete, but as soon as you hit submit, you will be automatically matched to scholarships. There are 3 short answer questions at the end of the general application. This is where you can provide any additional information that you would like scholarship committees to know about you. Please note that you can continue to edit the general application up until the final deadline posted on the website. There are 2 different types of scholarships in our Aztec scholarship system. The first are called auto-match scholarships. By simply completing the general application, your application will automatically be matched and sent to any scholarship opportunities you are eligible for based on the information you provide and boxes you check on the general application. It will combine your self-reported information along with data we get from records and enrollment that allow us to match you based on your major, GPA, and enrollment. For auto-match scholarships, the only requirement is submission of the general application. You will not be contacted to provide additional materials for auto-match scholarships. There is an additional video on our website which provides details on the second type of scholarships located under your recommended opportunities section. If you have further questions, you can email scholars@sdsu.edu.